Here I have LG K40 and let me show you how to use battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the upper bar right here. And here let's find and select the battery saver right here. You can just tap it and you can tap turn on. As you can see, the extended battery saver is activated. Here you've got the time of using your device. You can also switch off the battery saver, or you can use the maximum battery saver. Let me show you. Tap turn on. This is like the extreme battery saver mode, so you will have only the dark themes. You can only use some apps, but not all of them, and you will have a lot of restrictions, but you can use your device for a really long time. To exit this mode, let's just choose off right here, and the device is switching back into the normal mode. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.